Hi, I'm Jarno, aka the Cinescapator, and welcome to the What's in the Box, where I go through everything I have bought in this month for my movie collection. First up, I'm going to show you non-mail stuff. So, first up, this pile is from the Turku. Check that video out if you want to know what's in here. Then, pieni leffakauppa pickups. Pink Flamingos, Blu-ray. John Waters classic from 72. Trash classic. Check out it. Then some new A24 lamb. There's been a buzz about it and the trailer looks good, so. And then finally Galaxy of Terror from 88 Films. It's a nice movie. Then some shot on video horror Suffering Bible from the 90s, released by SRS. Yeah. And finally, Children of the Corn Revelation. Yet another sequel. Michael Ironside. Nice. Then some pickups from Prisma. Nicolas Cage in big. More Nicolas Cage. Paul Thomas Anderson's Licorice Pizza. I like his movies, so no brainer. And just recently saw this and love it. Blood Simple, Coen Brothers debut film. It's a really good film. Then some flea market and second-hand shop pickups. Judge Dredd soundtrack. This was a surprise find. Nice one. Then something really weird. Encyclopedia of Conspiracy. Directed some Finnish guys. Interview with Leon Zakami about topics New World Order, fake war on terror, suppressed histories, the Illuminati and its various tentacles. Yeah. Some heavy shit. Then for collecting purposes, TMMT, this nice diggy back Russian, I believe it's Russian DVD. Remake of 2001 Maniacs, cause I got the sequel, so I have to have the first one. Dinotopia, some Hallmark miniseries cut into movie. People living with dinosaurs. Pirjo Honkasalo's Tulennielijä, some Finnish fantasy, apparently good one. Then this old Egmont, Finnish Egmont DVD of an Ghostbusters 2. Some people collect these, so if you want this, contact me. Then the mail stuff. This is the not so trash and filth pile, and this is the trash and filth pile. So let's dig in. First up we have this double pack, and it's an upgrade. David Cronenberg's The Fly on Blu-ray, this Scandinavian Blu-ray. Then Robert Rodriguez and Quentin Tarantino's From Dusk Till Dawn. Some upgrading. And then When the Lights Went Out, some demon possession horror. But apparently it's okay. So can't wait to see it. I'll try to not to say can't wait to see it so many times. Some Nicolas Cage, Kiss of Death on DVD. And then mysterious slipcover, and this is Apocalypse After. Short films by Bertrand Mandico, and I have the French release of these shorts, but they don't have subtitles, so... And it was a DVD, but now I have the Blu-ray. The Bollywood Horror Collection Volume 2 from Mundo Macabro, containing Band Darwaza and Purana Mandir. Looks like some vampire and demon action. And it's a double disc set, which is always nice. Then there's some books in the box. The complete collection of Phantasm. Already had the old Anchor Bay spare box, but now I decided to get this on Blu-ray. Nice. Then some Eric Roberts' Earth Alien, and this was sold to me as, if you like B-movies, you're gonna love this. Let's see. The Operator Einematus Hornet's Story, German Blu-ray of, well, the Marvel Hornet story. Film adaptation of the web series, and Doc Jones is the operator. Some found footage horror with Slenderman twist. More Nicolas Cage, Rumblefish, this Eureka, the Masters of Cinema series, Blu-ray. I have seen this, it was good. Then another box. It's Faster Pussycat Kill Kill on VHS. Cause why not have Faster Pussycat Kill Kill on VHS? One of my all-time favorite movies. And why not have Faster Pussycat Kill Kill on Blu-ray? This Mod Media Group release 2K scan looks amazing in HD, so nice. So let's dig into the filthier pile. Fetus Black Lava Entertainment release of Brian Paulin's Gore Fest. This looks nasty. Some nasty shit. Anyways. Then Tom Heidenberg's Necrophilia Passion by Elite Entertainment. German. There's some German in the background. I bet this is a nasty one. Efficient 52 minutes of necrophilia action. What next? Terrible Meal. And that's all. If I remember correctly, it's a Japanese movie, and it's just eating and vomiting. Then some Vinegar Syndrome. Peakorama release of Afternoon Delights and Slave of Pleasure. Late 70s and 80s porn. And the other one is Purely Physical and Cat House Fever. Early 80s. And looks interesting. So yeah. 2 Peakorama releases from Vinegar Syndrome. And another Double Trouble Nightmare Vacation. Shot on video horror, some Bologna Brothers stuff, and the other one is also shot on video horror, channel 13, also from Bologna Brothers. And it's a horror anthology. And then with these two came this bonus movie. Matti Soikkeli Perverted Black Art Horror Short Films. And there's Matti's signature collection of Matti Soikkeli's short films. These also look quite nasty. There's 7 shorts from Matti. But yeah, thank you Matti for this and these, if you are watching. Then, a true find, the Vomit Gore trilogy. This is quite rare nowadays and expensive, but I got this really cheap. And also a short film, A Perfect Child of Satan. And I'm just curious what these are. So why not buy a whole set? Because that's what I do. You can guess if you don't know what these are, what these are by the name Vomit Gore. Great find. This is a box from SRS 5 movies. First up, Gore Whore. What a groovy name. And it's a shot on video horror. Saw some clips of it and it looked awesome, so had to buy it. Then more of these retro style covers. These are all shot on video, so Garden Tool Massacre. Ultra rare 90s SOV movie. Never before released in USA and only handful of copies direct from filmmaker exist anywhere. The Hidden from the 90s, also apparently rare. City of the Vampires. Yes. Church of the Damned. Another Bologna Brothers film. Some devil worshipping. Splatter. Then package from Vinegar Syndrome. Some shot on video classic video violence collection in this nice sturdy slip case and another slip. And this is a Terror Vision release. Never seen these, always wanted to. Isn't it amazing? You can get all the crap on Blu-ray. Then AGFA and Drag City release of Final Flesh. Vernon Chapman Experiment. And this is quite something. I've seen this 2 times and oh man. Vernon Chatman, who is a producer of South Park, wrote 4-part screenplay about a family who lives ground zero of some disaster, and then he sent each part to different companies who made custom adult fetish videos. So it's hilarious, highly recommended. Finally on Blu-ray, and obviously shot on video. Then some serial killer not shot on video. Käsendäkä. Apparently brutal horror. Then back to the weird shit. Call of Cthulhu. Released by Camp Motion Pictures. Looked awesome, so of course I had to get it. What's Village of the Damned and Children of the Damned. This double feature DVDs. Never seen these originals. And with these, John Carpenter's remake of Village of the Damned on Blu-ray. This I have seen and it's okay. Then another upgrade, Barbarella, Queen of Galaxy. The sci-fi classic which inspired Duran Duran. And the Nicolas Cage double feature. Peggy Sue Got Married and It Could Happen to You on DVD. Yes. And then the final segment.
Night of the Living Dead.
So, I got carried away with the Night of the Living Dead stuff. So let's see what I got. First up, I got this from Plan 9. This Night of the Living Dead t-shirt. Nice. So, first up, 1997 Elite Entertainment release with this. I don't even know what this mechanism is called. The uncut version. Then this Dutch Digipack release with Reflections on the Living Dead on separate disc. And the cover says original 68 digitally remastered colored version. But I checked and it's black and white and uncut. Yeah, this is a nice release. Then Spanish Blu-ray. In the bonus features real reflections on the Living Dead on the same disc. And this one is funny because it has Tom Savini's remake stills and the poster mixed with the original. But yeah, this is the original uncut version. Then this Contender Special Collector's Edition release, which is the original black and white, but it's cut and cut weirdly. All the gore is in it, but there's some cuts all over the place, like 4 minutes. So it's a weird one. Then Hollywood Classics version released by Madison Entertainment. Old release, and it's been cut. Also some weird cuts, like the Contender. Yeah. Then this Italian release, the cover is colored, but this is the black and white version, and also cut. Yeah. Then another, the 1997 releases with this weird case. This is from US and it has the far most crappiest looking print I've seen. But yeah, this is cool. Cool release. Then from Germany, the original uncut in 3D. The back cover has this huge picture of Land of the Dead. Yeah. Then another German version, Die Nacht der lebenden Toten. Yeah, the uncut version, black and white. And another Italian version with the original, which was uncut, and the 30th anniversary edition on the same disc. I like the cover. Then from this Creek version, 30th anniversary edition, and it had bonus movie Original Evil Dead, also a Creek version. And then from Turkey, and it's the original black and white and cut. Yet another nice addition. Then Night of the Living Dead reanimated. Over 100 artists with 100 different styles reanimated the original Night of the Living Dead. So it's a like clip show. Interesting take. Interesting remake. Then another animated remake, Night of the Animated Dead. Animated remake. Apparently it has more gore. But Tom Savini's 90s remake on VHS. All new 1993 release on widescreen. Yet another fine addition. And the final one, Nemesis, Night of the Living Dead. And this is like homage slash meta remake, so on. So I haven't seen this yet, but it sounds like fun idea, and it has Sid Haig, so can't wait. So that was some filth and trash filled unboxing for you. If you like this, hit like, the bell, subscribe, comment, share, anything, watch over and over. And I'll see you in the next video.